The Floorboy Z12s, manufactured in Switzerland, is delivered fully assembled including the tank container. The Floorboy covers a wide range of applications. We use for the maintenance and oiling of wooden floors the super pads. These vary in color and hardness level. First, we start with intensive cleaning. Fill up the tank with the cleaning solution. The hardness of the pad should be matched to the sensitivity and soiling level of the floor. In this case, we use a green pad. Let the solution soak for as long as it is recommended by the manufacturer. Afterward, use a mop to remove the soiled solution. The result is definitely impressive. Allow the floor to dry completely. The oiling process is also quite simple. Do not fill any oil into the tank container, as it may cause the hoses to clog. Apply the maintenance oil evenly in small quantities. Then, use the Floorboy with a white pad to work it into the surface. Remove the excess oil with an oil-absorbent cloth or a lint-free cloth after a suitable exposure time. There should be no oil left on the surface. Soak oilcloths, pads, etc. with water and let them dry outdoors. Follow the instructions on the container. Repeat the steps. Once the floor is completely dry, the fresh wooden floor can be enjoyed without restriction. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.